After this genius idea, I never prepared ground beef the same way again. I'm going to place 1 kilo of ground beef on top of an egg carton and spread it out well using a kitchen rolling pin. On a tray, I'll make a line of salt to taste. Let's add a line of black pepper to taste. Right after that, I'll make a line of paprika to taste. Next, let's form a line with onion powder to taste, and I'll repeat the process until the entire bottom is covered. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Logan Manson from Austin, Texas. I'm really happy that you're enjoying our recipes. Now, let's place the egg carton onto the tray with the ground beef facing down. I'll remove the carton, take a portion, and shape it into a small ball. Let's roll it through the seasonings, and I'll repeat the process with the remaining portions of the mixture. Let's add 1 tablespoon of butter to the skillet. I'll stir until it melts. Next, let's place the meatballs in the pan to fry. Every time I make this recipe, I realize how much the final look depends on this step, because this is where we get the right texture, define the finish, and make it delicious. After a few minutes, I'll turn each one to brown evenly on the other side. Tell me what you're thinking about the recipe so far. I'd really love to know. Meanwhile, let's cut 12 breads in half this way. Now, I'll set aside the top halves, and then we'll add slices of cheddar to taste on the base of the breads. I love this moment because you can already feel the recipe starting to come to life. Next, we'll add the meatballs we fried, placing them in the center over the layer of cheddar. This step may seem simple, but it guarantees the perfect result. After that, I'll add more slices of cheddar on top of the meatballs, covering them completely. If you follow this step correctly, there's no way it can go wrong. The recipe will turn out perfect. Next, we'll add ketchup to taste. Now, I'll add mustard to taste on top. Right after that, we'll cover with the other half of the breads. I'll press gently to close everything well and set it aside. Let's brush melted butter on the bottom of a baking dish. After coating it evenly, we'll carefully place our preparation inside. Everything is turning out just the way I wanted. Next, I'll brush melted butter again over the entire surface of the breads. Now, let's take it to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After that time, I'll remove it from the oven and place a portion on a plate. There are recipes we make just once to test, and without realizing it, they become part of our routine. This one was exactly like that. I made it without high expectations, just to use a few ingredients, and it became one of the recipes I repeat the most at home.